All right, guys, we're in a 2015 GMC Terrain. We're going to go over how to reset this oil maintenance light. So first thing you're going to want to do, get the key in the ignition. You're going to turn it to the on position. 1, 2. You'll hear the chime and the lights will come on. You'll know you're in the on position, and any messages you have will be displayed on the dash. So we're going to be using these 4 buttons to travel through the menus to get to the oil life. So you're going to press the menu button right here, and that'll change your screen to this. If it came up with a menu, then you can go on to the next step, but if not, you're going to be pressing just the up or the down arrow. I press the down. You see we're on the trip. So we're going to want to get to the option menu, so we're going to press that menu button again. It pulls us over to option, and you're going to press the down arrow until you get to the oil life. Here you see it. We see press set clear to reset, which is this button here. So you're going to go ahead and press it. Are you sure you want to reset? You're going to use the up arrow to scroll up to yes, and then you're going to press set clear to enter. There you go. Hope this helped. I've got a whole playlist of different makes and models on how to do this, so check them out if you need it. Any questions, problems, or concerns, I'll be happy to help. Comment them down below. Have a good one.